This is the vintage Coach soft French purse, style number 5822 in the color Mahogany Brown, and I would estimate it was most likely made sometime in the 1990s, and it actually still comes with a little price tag. So here's what it looks like. It says Coach on the back, and then on the inside it has the information like the style number, Mahogany, MAH, the abbreviation for mahogany, and then it says soft French purse. So it does have this little tag still, so it looks like it wasn't used. And then it also comes with some Coach tissue paper. It's really faint, but it does say Coach on the tissue paper here, so it was nicely preserved over the years. So here's a 360 of the wallet. Here's the front. It does have a snap closure right here where you could store your coins, I guess, in this compartment here, obviously. And then here's the other side. It's got another snap closure. That's the inside. I'll show you more of that in a second, but here's the rest of the wallet. There's the side, and then we'll open it, and then here's the interior. It's got the Coach cartouche stamped right there. Hopefully you can see it well on camera. And then you can see it's got a lot of little card slots here, some other little slots on these sides here. And then it's got these compartments for carrying cash. So yeah, it's got all these different compartments here, and then like I mentioned, it's got this back compartment for coins. So lots of little storage areas. But anyway, that is the soft French purse, style 5822, and it is available now in our online store. So if anyone was interested in looking at it further, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.